Let me start with a hard truth. If you're currently practicing no contact, and she's silent, and you keep checking your phone, hoping she'll break first, this video might hurt your ego, but it will save your dignity. Right now you're thinking, does she regret losing me? Is she thinking about me? Did I matter at all? Watch till the end, because the signs I'm about to share are not the dramatic movie-style ones. They're subtle, they're psychological, and most men misread them and lose themselves in the process. By the end of this video, you'll stop obsessing over her regret and start respecting yourself again. Why listen to me? This channel is Be Stoic. I talk to men about breakups, self-respect, emotional control, and stoic wisdom for modern life. No manipulation, no chasing, no do this to make her beg. Just reality and dignity. If you're tired of losing your self-respect in silence, subscribe. This channel is for you. Quick context. What regret actually looks like. Here's something men need to understand. Regret is not always crying, texting paragraphs, or asking come back. Women rarely show regret directly. Regret often shows up as curiosity, orbiting, ego conflict, or emotional testing. And listen carefully. These signs are indicators, not guarantees. Your job is not to chase signals. Your job is to observe without losing yourself. That's the Stoic way. Now let's get into it. Sign 1. She starts watching your stories after total silence. You hadn't heard from her for weeks. No texts, no reactions. Then suddenly, she's watching every Instagram story. Gym story, watched. Random sunset, watched. Even boring ones. Psychologically, this usually means her curiosity woke up. Her certainty cracked. Not love, curiosity. A stoic man's response? You don't post for her. You don't change behavior. You don't message. Mantra, observation is power. Reaction is weakness. Sign 2. She tries to stay in your orbit without commitment. She reacts to memes, watches everything, but never steps forward. This is emotional hovering. She wants a connection without vulnerability, attention without accountability. Here's the brutal part. Many men mistake this for progress. A grounded man doesn't. You don't reward half effort. You don't entertain ambiguity. Mantra, clarity is the minimum standard. Sign 3. Your name comes up through mutual friends. A friend casually says, she asked how you're doing. Or worse, she was wondering if you're okay. Psychologically, she's checking the impact. Did she really lose you, or are you still stuck? This is about ego calibration. Stoic response? You don't send messages through friends. You don't chase narratives. You stay silent. Let reality answer for you. Mantra, let absence do the talking. Sign 4. Nostalgia bait on social media. Old songs, shared locations, captions that feel too familiar. Be honest. You noticed. This is emotional memory resurfacing, not commitment. Memory. Stoic response? You don't decode. You don't post countersignals. You keep moving forward. Mantra. Memories don't build futures. Sign 5. She tests if you've moved on. She asks, so are you seeing someone? Or jokes, your new girlfriend must be lucky. Psychologically, this is fear mixed with curiosity, not desire. Fear of replacement. Stoic response? Calm, neutral, brief. No bragging. No jealousy games. Mantra. My life is not performance. Sign 6. She gets emotional when someone praises you. Someone compliments your growth, your glow up, your discipline, and she reacts defensively or goes quiet. This is ego discomfort. She's facing the version of you she couldn't keep. Stoic response? You don't enjoy her discomfort. You don't seek validation. Mantra. Growth is silent. Sign 7. She reaches out for help she doesn't need. She asks for advice she could easily Google, or the emotional support she used to get from you. This is emotional access testing. She wants the boyfriend benefits without the relationship. Stoic response? Polite, short, boundaried. Mantra, access is earned. Sign 8, she compares other men to you. She says, no one understands me as you did. This is not romance. This is disappointment. She's realizing value after loss. Stoic response, you don't rescue regret. You don't compete with ghosts. Mantra, I don't return to lessons. Sign 9, she mirrors your growth. You hit the gym, she starts posting workouts. You upgrade, she suddenly evolves. This is subconscious alignment. But listen, mirroring is not commitment. Stoic response, you stay focused. You don't reconnect over coincidence. Mantra, my path doesn't circle back. Sign 10, she drops her pride and opens the door clearly. This is rare. A real apology, ownership, direct conversation. This is the only sign that matters. And even then, a Stoic man evaluates, not reacts. Mantra, I choose, I don't beg. Now pay attention to this reality check. Let me be very clear. One sign means nothing. Breadcrumbing exists. Loneliness exists. Boredom exists. I've seen men waste months decoding signs, refreshing profiles, waiting for messages. And I've seen men walk away, build discipline, build peace, and become unrecognizable, not because she returned, but because they did. What to do if you see these signs? Step 1, observe. Don't react emotionally. Step 2, stay on your mission, gym, work, discipline. Step 3, if she returns clearly, respond calmly with standards. You are allowed to say no. You are allowed to protect your peace. In my next video, I'll break down exactly what to do if she actually comes back. How to test sincerity without games. Subscribe and turn on notifications. This channel is about becoming unshakable. A man's value is not proven by who regrets losing him, but by who he becomes. When they leave, stay disciplined, stay grounded, be stoic,